How to fix the go live option is missing on TikTok. So if you go and click on the plus icon in the bottom of the app, if you're unable to see the live option, I'm going to show you how to fix this. Now, first thing you need to do is just head over to your TikTok profile, click on the settings bar in the top right hand side, and then select settings and privacy. You'll then need to scroll down and click on free up space. Next to cache, click on clear and select clear cache. You'll then need to close out of the TikTok application, make sure it's completely closed down, and then you can try reopening the app. You can then select the plus icon once again, and you can check to see if the live option is showing. Now, if it's not working, it's likely due to the restrictions on your account. So in order to go live, you need to make sure you have at least 1,000 followers, and you also need to be at least 18 years of age. So this is one account that I have that already has 3,000 followers, and my age is set to 18 plus. Once you've done this, you can click on the plus icon, and you should now have an option to go live at the bottom of this page. So that's how to go live on TikTok. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.